Hi folks, Mike from Minnesota here. Thanks for joining my channel or watching my channel, and if you like what you're seeing, subscribe or like. Today we're taking you on an ice fishing, actually a spearing trip. We're going to spear fish through the ice, and that's being done out of a dark house or a spear house. And a good friend of mine, Dan, is allowing me to use his spear house. Lowering my mask a little bit because right now I'm at the Winnie trading post and I'm going to get my bait, and there's nobody in here except for the manager Scott, who is also masked up, and hopefully he's okay with me dropping this. We're a ways away. He's helping me with the camera right now. So our first stop is the Winnie trading post, and what we're going to get is a very large sucker minnow, and we're going to use that through the hole in the ice to decoy Northern Pike. That's our target fish today. That's what you spear for. So what we're going to do today is go out to Lake Winnibigoshish and heat up the dark house and see what we can see. Once we get there, you'll see that it's just a whole different experience. I mean, it's dark in there and you're looking through like into an aquarium. Hopefully I can get some of that on footage. So right now what I'm going to do is introduce you to Scott, and we're going to get a sucker minnow to bring out to the lake to use as a decoy to hopefully spear a northern pike. Folks, I'm with the manager of the Winnie Trading Post, Scott. And Scott, can you tell me a little bit about the Winnie Trading Post?
Well, we've got all kinds of bait here, a little bit of groceries, plenty of tackle going. Owner is Sean Peck. He's had this now for going on 3 years. So it's pretty much your one-stop shop from here all the way to Lake of the Woods.
You got really great bait, and everything is really, really well done here. So today, I'm gonna get one of these big boys here, and the bigger the better, according to one of my buddies who's a professional. Well, he's not a professional spearer, but he's an avid spearer. These buggers here.
Yeah, I'm trying to get you that nice big one I just seen in there, right?
Oh, Northern Pike is gonna want to eat that baby. What Scott is going to do, can you explain, Scott, the system for taking them out?
Taking them out, get them in the net. What I like to do is just do an empty bag right away. Else they like to kind of splash all over in the bucket. I'll just put him right in the bag there. Get her over.
We're going to put some water in the bag.
Enough water to keep them comfortable.
And then you're going to fill the bag with oxygen?
Yep.
And how long will that survive real well in that bag like that?
Quite a few hours actually. We usually have guys stopping, going up to Lake of the Woods, they're getting their bait in the air bags, and
okay,
they're usually good to go until they get to where they need to be.
I'll get that up to the counter. Thanks for your help, Scott.
No problem, sir.
And I appreciate it. And thanks for letting me do this video. And we'll see it on the channel.
It sounds good.
All right.
Good luck.
Well, we're almost to the lake. And when we get there, the first order of business is to take a sled out of my car in which I'll have all my gear packed up. And we'll walk out to the spear house. In spearing, most of the houses are in a depth of water 8 to 10 feet, and the whole idea is you got to see the bottom. And we'll put the decoy down, the live decoy, down about 4 feet or so. I'll put it down to where I may feel comfortable that if a northern comes in that I could spear it. Of course, first order of business, get out to the house, open it up, and get the heater on. And then after that, I'll check the hole, and see if I need to chip any ice out of it. And then we'll go from there, set up the equipment and start fishing. I also brought my regular fishing gear in case I'm not seeing northerns and I'm seeing other species of fish. I can also fish for them. So, to the lake. This is the spear house that I'll be using today. Right now I got to open it up and get the heater going and see how much ice I have to chisel to open up the hole. I'm a little winded from walking out here, but see you in a little bit. So here's what we got set up so far. I had to chip some ice out of the hole, but it really wasn't bad, maybe an inch thick. And then Dan has a basket here for scooping the ice out, a bucket to put it in, and then we throw it out on the ice. Got a really nice heater. It's going to warm up in here like nothing. So this is what it looks like now with it dark in here. It looks like I'm looking down into an aquarium. It's really cool. So, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this spear right here, and I'm going to lower that sucker minnow down to a point where I think I'll be able to handle it. I don't know our depth here. And, you know, I haven't speared that much. This is being kind of, I'll start here. He's got a little flasher on him. He might be a little, well, let's see. I'll leave him there for a while. Turn my light off. Here comes a northern. Just looking at it. Missed him. I missed him. I could have let him come in a little bit more. He wasn't a big one. See if he comes in again. No, my minnow was taken off. And it's like, okay, something's got to be coming in. We'll see if he comes in again. I should have waited. We'll see next time. The minnow's acting squirrely again. I think the northern came back. That minnow doesn't want to be there. Either the same little one or another one. See if he comes back around. I got him. He's down there on the floor. He's a pretty decent sized northern. What you do now is you bring him up. Yeah, he's a good size. Bring him up and I'll get him out the door. And then I'll take the camera outside. This is the one I got. It measures 23 inches, maybe 23 and a half. And the Northern Pike slot is you're allowed to keep 8 under 22 and 2 over 26. Except for spearing, they give you a little leeway of 2 fish within that 23 to 26 range, because it's very, very difficult to gauge what size they are under the ice. And once you spear them, they're dead. So this is one I'm going to keep. If I get another one like this, I'm done, unless I really see a huge one. But so that's what I got for now. I actually pulled that minnow up so that while I was out here, I didn't get another northern attacking it. So I brought that up, and now I'm gonna get situated again, get the camera situated, and if I get another one, I'll be happy with that. Or some small ones, I'll be good with that too. So I'm telling you what, this is just a blast doing this. If you've never been out spearing, try to get out and do it. I was introduced to it after I was up here. My wife and I moved up here. We fishing with the Parrington family, and they had some dark houses, some spear houses out, and that's where I actually saw it, for the first time, and it was just amazing to me. So, and then a person that really introduced me to it, who took me out spearing a few times, allows me to use his dark house, his the brother of Dan, Nick. And Nick's an avid fisherman, hunter. He does a lot out here. Everybody up here does a lot in the outdoors. Well, folks, that's a wrap for today. I want to thank Dan for letting me use his spear house, and I certainly had the opportunity to get a couple more Northern Pike, but actually the one I got is going to do me just good, because I'll end up filleting that out and I'm going to pickle it. So you can do a couple things: pickle it, or I can fillet it, debone it, and cook it up that way, but I plan on pickling this one. I just wanted to mention that up in the Northland here, the guides that are up here, several of them, but 2 in particular that I know, have many resources on their websites for how to fillet and debone Northern Pike, recipes for how to pickle fish, pickle Northern Pike, and how to cook other types of fish up here. The two websites I would go to is Minnesota Fishing Pros, and check out their site and their videos, and Jeff Sundin, Sundin. Check out his website. I'll be using his recipe for pickling the northern that I got. So until next time, this is Mike from Minnesota saying farewell. Make every day a great day. God bless.